Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, number Twitter next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. Gold edges toward record high as middle is war drives heaven beats. Gold edges higher amid likely safe haven demand. Gold holds near record high. So this is the market sentiment. And this is the chart of gold. So my dear friends, we can see the market open gap up. Yes, there was a gap up opening because of the tension between Israel and Iran. Okay, but it failed to sustain, and right now we can see the market is coming for retracement or correction here. In a previous video on Saturday, we discussed about the ascending triangle pattern, which is still very much visible to us. Ascending triangle pattern is a bullish pattern, means there is a possibility of a breakout. And as we all know that there is a tension in Middle East right now, so chances of a breakout is pretty high. If things escalate between Israel and Iran, then obviously sky is the limit. Okay, the previous high was 3500. Okay, and obviously if market starts flying from here, okay, nobody knows where gold will stop. But right now we can see that after a gap up opening, okay, gold failed to sustain and it is coming for correction. Okay, and this is the hourly chart of gold. For better understanding, let's switch to the 15 minutes chart. And my dear friends, for timely updates and analysis, please join the free Telegram community. Already I have posted in the community in the morning. Okay, so if you're still not a part of it, feel free to join. The link will be in the description. Okay, so this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and here the triangle or the ascending triangle is clearly visible to us, and right now we can see the market is almost standing at that trend line. Ascending triangle pattern means obviously there will be a trend line, means market is constantly forming what? Market is constantly forming higher lows here, and we can see market is setting a trend line. Market is still forming a higher low here. So yes, if you have taken a buy right now, you can hold your buy position because overall the market sentiment is bullish. The chart is speaking a different language, but overall the market sentiment is bullish, so upside is possible. So if you have a buy, hold your buy position. And if you have taken a buy last week, then obviously okay, you are having some big expectations. You can also hold your buy position with your stop loss below 3400. If market breaks 3400, then obviously things will change drastically and there may be a trend reversal. Okay, but as long as gold is trading above 3400, you can expect that because of the ongoing tension, gold will be bullish in the coming days. And if you have taken a buy today around the trend line, you can hold your buy position because gold is still forming higher lows here. Okay, but if the correction okay continues and if gold starts going down, then obviously the ascending triangle pattern will no longer be valid, because ascending triangle pattern must look like this. And if you see that gold starts dropping, then obviously it won't be an ascending triangle pattern. But still, because of the market sentiment, we can look for a buy position. Where on Saturday we discussed about the two reliable levels on the chart of gold. Those levels are still valid. I don't want to go in detail because I do not want to bore you guys. If you're looking for detailed analysis, you can watch the video from Saturday. So 3400, 3405 is the best support because previous resistance will be working as support, plus it's a psychological level. Then we also have a support around 3387. So these are the two best support on the chart of gold. But obviously chances of market coming to these levels are very less unless gold surprises us. Okay. जब तक gold surprise नहीं देता है, chances are very less. So as a day trader, we can also look for a support around 342422 and 341412. These are the two minor support levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a bounce of 50 to 60 pips as a day trader. If market shows further potential, we can go with the flow. But these are minor support levels. We are looking for a bounce as a day trader only. Why are we looking? Yes, your guess is right. Okay, we are using our beloved FIBO again. So when market dropped, we saw FIBO working perfectly. So we are expecting this FIBO to work as well. But if you see that FIBO is not working again, drop the idea. Okay. If you see the market has formed a big red candle at 342422 area, then obviously use your common sense. Okay, no level is permanent in the market. Okay, just wait for the proper support. Okay. And on the other hand, okay, if you see the market is not respecting 341412 area, then also you can avoid. But in this situation, there is a good chance that market will take support, and at least we should get a bounce of 50 to 60 pips, unless gold surprises us with heavy selling pressure. And obviously 340005 338788 are still very much valid. Okay, and obviously my dear friends, okay, if gold goes up, then we can look for a buy above 3450. The previous breakout failed obviously, okay, but still at one point, okay, market should go above 3450 and we can look for a buy above it as well. And obviously buying it market opening was not a very good idea. Probably you guys have heard me saying a lot of times that market opening and market closing are not the right times to trade. So we can see that obviously it was right. Okay, anyways, let's wait and watch how does the market react, and be careful. Because market sentiment is bullish, okay, but gold is coming for correction. But obviously, okay, in this situation, chances of market going for a trend reversal is very less. Trend reversal and retracement are both are different things. Okay, trend reversal continues for many days, where corrections, retracement just temporary things, temporary stuff. So in simple words, overall the chart is bullish, but after the market opening, gold is coming for correction. So if you have any buy, you can hold your buy position because market sentiment is above all. Okay, and gold is full of surprises, market is full of surprises. So if market breaks 3400, things will be crazy and you can exit from your swing buys. Okay, but overall, okay, sentiment is bullish, so we are looking for buy positions only. The best levels are far away, which is around 340005 and 3387. Okay, so if market takes support, well and good, we can look for a buy position. But those levels are far away, so we are looking for immediate buys or support around 342422 and 341412 area. If market takes support, then only buy because they are minor levels. And if market goes up from here, because the ascending triangle pattern is still valid, we can look for a buy above 3450. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care, and please follow proper risk management, because, as we all know, things have been little crazy, not little, okay, very much crazy with gold for the last couple of weeks. Okay, and bye bye. All the best.